This is fresh shiitake mushrooms. I love this so much. I just sauteed with some olive oil, garlic, a little chili flakes, salt, Himalayan salt, and it's a very good side dish. This has fiber in it, nutrients in it. And you don't overcook this because the pieces are actually filled with flavor, real good flavor in it. Shiitake mushrooms, one of my favorite. There you go. When they cook just lightly, they hold in a lot of moisture in them, so you don't have to overcook this. Also, there's green pepper in here. Yeah, that's about it, really. Simple, really simple. And a few pieces of tomatoes. Give it a try. It's really, really delicious.